Jungle.
The 2019 Audi A6 is one of the best value-for-money products that the four-wheel Circle brand launched in the mid-range luxury sedan market for customers to choose from. According to the world's leading automotive experts, improvements on the 2019 variant of Audi A6 are much smarter and more modern. Evaluate the Audi A6 2019. Dressed in a sporty, and European style with a lot of valuable upgrades, Audi A6 is increasingly showing its position in the international auto arena. This is considered a competitor of other models such as 2019 Mercedes E-Class or BMW 5 Series 2019. Exterior Audi A6 2019 car. The new Audi A6 2019 has a new personality and is equally active when wearing new wings, with an overall size of 4,933 x 2086 x 1,455 mm respectively. The top of the car features an extremely sharp and beautiful LED headlight system with automatic adjustment, activating with rain sensor, and a very modern automatic headlight wash system. From the front, A6's front lamp cluster looks very angled with LED daytime running lights with beautiful nails. Right in the center is still a large hexagonal grille made of long horizontal chrome-plated horizontal bars, just below the air intake cavity, decorated quite masculine and impressive. Running along the body of the car is the straight embossed lines gently stroked from the hood to the rear lights. The car has a heated rear view mirror, automatic anti-glare and electric folding with position memory function. Perfect for that beauty is an impressive 17-inch 10-spoke tray. The rear end of the 2019 Audi A6 is sexy and glamorous with bold lines of European design. Most notably, the trapezoidal tail lights and dual exhaust pipes are polished chrome, just above the LED brake lights that allow the rear vehicles to easily observe. Interior of Audi 2019 car. Stepping into the cabin of the Audi A6 2019, all customer emotions will be awakened by the powerful visual effect created from the overall cabin. Thanks to the 2,912 mm wheelbase and expensive details such as the high-grade aluminum sill trim, satin interior trim with 11 color optional options, the Audi A6's interior architecture is much more charming. In the driver's seat, the owner will touch the modern multifunctional 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Right behind is the information system to assist the driver with the 7-inch screen to help all parameters be displayed. Most obvious. The seats on this model do not have a single point unless they are premium leather. Electric adjustable front seats with 4-way backrest inflatable function, driver's seat with position memory function. Audi A6 also contributes to the exciting journeys with a large luggage compartment of 530 liters. Facilities equipped. Setting foot inside the car, the customer will be immediately welcomed by the cool airflow created by the 4-zone automatic air conditioning system. The owner just needs to relax on the chair and enjoy the pleasant atmosphere created by A6. Audi 2019 Model A6 is also considered a treasure of smart applications when the infotainment system is very modern with MMI Multimedia Information System comes with 6.5-inch color screen center. Audi audio system with 6 channels, 10 speakers, and 180 watts capacity, CD, MP3 player, WMA and AAC memory card, Audi music interface for Apple devices, USB, and Bluetooth connectivity. Besides, the car also has other remarkable features such as active reflections for the front and rear doors, central armrests for the front seats, insulated windshields, and electric trunk opening and closing. Operate. Under the cover of the Audi A6 2019 is a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine block with direct fuel injection and Audi 1.8L valve. Create a maximum capacity of 190 horsepower at 4,200 to 6,200 rpm. Maximum torque of 320 Nm in tassels 1400 to 4100 rpm with 7-speed automatic transmission S-tronic. This performance gives the car an extremely powerful source of energy and a very powerful jump. Audi A6 is capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km/h in just 7.9 seconds before reaching the maximum speed of 233 km/h. Lower than the E300 AMG when it can accelerate from 0 to 100 km in just 6.2 seconds before reaching a maximum speed of 250 km/h. The vehicle has a quite high fuel consumption, specifically the parameters that the company announced in urban areas is 6.16 L/100 km, combined is 6.9 L/100 km and outside the city is 8.32 L/100 km. With a thick tire set of 225/55 R17, Audi A6 ensures smoothness for customers when crossing potholes. Safe. The car has passed prestigious tests with remarkable safety features such as parking assistance system with visual rear camera with sound and image, tire pressure warning, cruise control, speed limiter warning system, 5 airbags, integrated shock absorber headrest in the seat. General assessment. Overall, the Audi A6 retains its own quality of mid-range luxury sedans because every time it launches, it gives customers positive effects from interior-exterior to operation. With a long-standing position and solidity in customers' hearts.